As part to commemorate the 83rd death anniversary of Khasi Poet Laureate Thoh, Commissioner and Secretary in charge of Art and Culture Department F.R. Kharkor on Monday inaugurated the Thoh Shun Art Camp 2023 held at the Indian Council of Social Science Research North East Regional Centre Conference Hall, Nehu. A total number of 24 artists from Shantiniketan, Kala Bhavan, Praktoni and Riti Academy of Visual Art are taking part in the camp, which will conclude on December 27th. While lauding the decision to start this art camp, he appealed to the team of artists to use this camp to sort of capture the essence of land, language and lineage, which are the three important legacies of the indigenous community.
Mr. Kharkor, the Secretary.
We have Rafael and May.
Coincidentally, it is nice to learn that there are 12 artists here, and 12 is a very significant number because Jesus had 12 disciples. A team has got 12, be it football or cricket. So 12 is a very significant number, and the day in which you inaugurated it, which is Sosotham's, that anniversary is also doubly significant. And also, this program is called Thoh Shun. As Rafael has already elaborated, Thoh Shun is a very sacred act amongst the Khasis. It's a significant marker of many things.
KHADC Chief